All right, today we're going to be talking about how to set up graphical analysis GW with a GoDirect probe or sensor. So what we're going to do is first make sure that your probe is on. Today for this video, I'm going to be talking about the GoDirect force and acceleration probe. However, this should theoretically work for any of the GoDirect product line. I'm going to start off now with a new experiment, and you'll notice that once the probe is turned on, the Bluetooth button will be blinking red. And all that means is that it's on, but it's not currently connected to a wireless device or tablet or phone. So in order to connect, we're going to have to start a new experiment, and we'll choose wireless devices. After a second, it should discover a bunch of devices in the classroom. Now, my classroom is currently empty, so only one device has popped up. Now, when you do this in the classroom, you'll see various devices turn on. You want to just make sure that the ID number, so here it's 071000W5, it matches with the ID number on the probe. And mine does, obviously, because there are no other probes on. I will choose it. It'll take a few seconds for it to connect to my iPad, and it is connected. And if I wanted to use it as a force sensor, it will be good to go right now. But these GoDirect probes can be set up to read various things. Okay, so one thing to note also is that now that I'm connected, the LED on the GoDirect force and acceleration probe is now blinking green, indicating that it is connected to my iPad. Now, if I wanted to set it up to read acceleration instead of force, we can do that. What we'll do is tap the eye next to the connected device, and in the bottom, you'll see beneath all this information about the sensor, there's a tab here that says sensors. I will click on that, and then what we will do is then see all the things that it can be set up to record. Now, I want to use that as an accelerometer, so let's just choose the x-axis acceleration and add that. And now the x-axis accelerometer is turned on. And you'll notice that the graphs in the background will change and adjust based on what's turned on and off. Okay? Now, let's say that we're doing a lab, and it does not need to be, it's not about force, and we're not interested in force. You can also disable it to make sure that there's less clutter on the screen. What you can do now is just tap the minus sign, disable, and now it will only be set up to read x-axis acceleration. The x-axis is indicated on the GoDirect, so here it's in line with the hook. In order to begin, we're just going to back out here by tapping device and then back out again and then tap done. Now, whenever you're using these GoDirect probes or any probe, you want to make sure that you zero it. In order to zero this, all you're going to do is tap on the bottom here where it says x-axis acceleration, tap it, and then we will just tap 0 to zero it out. And it should fluctuate around 0. Okay, based on, right now I'm holding it with my hand, so it's very, a little shaky. But we are good to go. So in order to start, you will just hit collect, and there you go. And that is how you connect a GoDirect probe to Vernier Graphical Analysis.